Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Alright guys and girls, today I'm happy to announce that I am becoming a partner in the Fuelab family. So let's get into an unboxing video. To say that receiving this box this Saturday afternoon was exciting would be an understatement. Guys, I have been waiting for this stuff for a while, and I'm really excited about it because it's going to be my first adventure with electronic fuel injection. And Fuelab is making it just really simple and easy for me. I spoke with Tanner over there several times and gave him the layout of the Bad Attitude C10, and this kit is what we came up with. So let's get into the products that we are going to be using. So up first, we'll have the regulator we'll be using, which is an 8AN EFI electronic fuel pressure regulator, part number 52902-1. It comes with all the hardware, the fittings, even the electrical cable to hook into the bottom of it, which I'll get into in a minute. So as you can see, it is black in color, and they offer an array of colors, but Tanner hooked me up with black, which is cool because the truck's base, color is white and black. So if you notice, it does come with the fittings already installed, which are 8AN. It does have a gauge port, and it does have a hole for boost reference because we are going to be running this electrical supercharger. On the bottom, if you notice, there's an electrical plug, and that actually allows you to do the pulse width modulation for the pump, and we can even data log with our Holley Terminator system. Now, all of their parts come serial numbered, which is cool because it lets them know who has what, when, where, and how, and all that. So we'll get into this operation a little bit later. So let's go ahead and move right along. The post-pump filter we'll be using comes from their 828 series, and it is an 8AN 6 micron long inline fuel filter. So it comes with like a 5-inch element. It has cushion clamps for mounting, and one of the cool things about it is all of their instructions, you can actually download a card off the back, a code that's on the back of the card, you can scan it in, or you can go to their website and just look it up under the instructions section. Now again, the filter is black in color, and as you can see, the fittings are already installed. I'm going to leave this in the bag until we install it later, but I will go over the information on it a little bit later in a video covering both filters. Now, in addition to the post filter, we have a pre-filter, which is a 10AN 100 micron long inline filter, so it will have a 5-inch filter just as the post system did. It has cushion clamps as well. It is also black in color, and these both are from the 828 series. Don't know if I mentioned that before, so there's several different series that they have, and these items as well do have serial numbers on them, so just take that in consideration. And another thing is, all these items are USA made and have lifetime warranties. Again, guys, we will be doing videos covering why we selected each item, what the perks are, how they work, and all that in a couple of days or so. And guys, the pump we'll be using is a 145 gallon per hour at 45 psi variable speed brushless pump, part number 41402-1. This guy also comes with cushion mounting brackets for us to mount the external pump. All of their pumps are assembled in-house and they're USA made. They test each individual pump. They don't do batch testing, they test each unit, and as you can see, it's even dated, 7/18 of 2024. That date is actually the date Tanner called me and said, hey, I'm putting your pump together as we speak, and it'll go out, in the next day or so. So guys, I mean, they take care of what they're doing. They check and double check everything, and as you can see, here's a little warning label and things. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this pump because I do want to show a couple of things that are kind of cool on it. Now, Tanner and the guys based every component that's in my system off the information that I gave them at the time that we were doing it. Now in the future, we will do a video covering this just like the filters, and as you can see, it is black in color just as all the rest of the Fuelab parts were that we're using. It does have something that's kind of unique to it, and on the back here you can see the serial number again. And guys, lifetime warranty, that's really key. USA made and lifetime warranty. So as you see here, you got a black and a red and a yellow terminal. These are for your hot and your ground, and the yellow is actually for pulse width modulation, giving us the capability of pulse width modulating and controlling the speed of the pump. So we'll get into that when we cover the pump itself. So that's the lowdown on what we'll be using. Stay tuned for videos covering the components and how they work. And until next time, thanks for watching.